The largest radio telescope in Europe was damaged. Russian occupiers damaged one of the world's largest UTR-2 radio telescopes of the Radio Astronomy Institute of the Academy of Sciences in the Kharkiv region. The National Police of Ukraine said that the building of the institution was completely destroyed and, most likely, cannot be restored. The largest radio telescope in Europe and one of the largest in the world is located on the territory of the station with an area of more than 100 hectares. The police note that the actions of the occupiers, who were there for several months, caused large-scale damage. The occupiers were on the territory of the station for several months, before the settlement was deoccupied. They dug trenches and left behind a lot of ammunition and their remains. The law enforcement officers seized material evidence that testifies to the military aggression of the Russian invaders.
Let's win together. Glory to Ukraine. Academy.media was with you.